Hi kids! Welcome to Kids Cute Drawing!
Today, let's discover my shiny, bright, beautiful colors one by one. Let's go!
Hi kids! Today we're drawing cute grapes. Watch till the end and learn colors with me. Draw the grape shape. Now add the leaves and stem. My cute kids like and subscribe for more cute drawings. Come on, my sweet kids! Subscribe and like because good kids love to learn, draw, and color. Keep watching, kids! Don't skip our beautiful, shiny grape colors are starting now. Now, let's start coloring. Now, color green. Kids, tap like and subscribe. Let's make more colorful drawings together. Now, color red. Now, color pink. Now, color light blue. Now, color lime green. Now, color yellow. Now, color purple. Now, color blue. Now, color orange.
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone.
Great job!
This old man
Like
came
and
rolling
subscribe
home.
for more cute drawings.
This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.